What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. So yes, we're going to continue to talk about XRP. We're going to continue to talk about the price. We're going to continue to talk about where it's going to be in the future and things like that. You could just expect that from this channel. And as you guys can see right now, XRP is trading at $2.16 at the time of this filming. And, has gone a little bit flat. I would say that we've come down. We've obviously dipped down into the 212, 213, and then we've come back up and we're sitting around this 216 mark. So the question has always been, where are we going from here? And on the short term, I think there's a lot of things to talk about. We've talked about the long term on this channel. We talked about where we see it going in the future, which again, I think it could definitely get up to the $7 range. But we're talking now, what are we looking for at the end of this year? Where could we actually hit? And some people out there are saying that we've hit some areas where there could be some volatile things happening here, especially if we don't hit certain numbers. We could see this go back down into the $2 range. We have other people saying that if it hits this bullish trigger, it can go back up to the $240 range. So the question is, where will this actually go? And it says right here that the analyst noted that XRP remains above the 20-day exponential moving average on both the USD and BTC charts, which again, if you go back here and look, you can see we actually just fell through the 20-day EMA. The 20-day EMA is sitting around $2.20. We are sitting roughly on the daily moving average around $2.17. So we actually have fallen a bit below that. And so some people are saying, well, now what is the next levels below? It says the position under 220, it would ensure that the asset remains bearish. So if we continue under this $2.20 mark, which you can see right here, then we will continue to be bearish. One positive thing here, though, if you go back and you actually pull the good old Fibonacci here, you go up right over here into the tool here, and there's a trend-based Fibonacci. And what you could do here for this is you can actually go down, follow the trend, and as you can see right here, we've hit this level right here at the 230. It's the 236 right here. 236.236 level, and it's bounced off this level multiple times, and then it's obviously gone back up and hit the 382 level right here. And so we've been in this area between around 230 and around roughly 215. And so we've been in this area and we've been building some momentum right here. So the next question is how can we break up to this next level into, so let's just say the 0.5 level, which is a good area? Well, we have to obviously break through the next level here, which is right around the 230 mark, which again would be obviously bullish. And then we have this massive resistance up here around the 238 mark, which you can see right here with the red line. Well, every time we've got up to this area, we've obviously built, and then we broke through it, and then we came crashing down. This was obviously through the RLUSD launch right here, and then we came crashing back down. And then now we sort of filled this little gap that it left in the market. So we're hoping that here with the altcoin season coming around the corner, as I've told you guys before, I truly do believe the altcoin season is right around the corner here. 2025 is going to be a really good year for XRP and for a lot of the altcoins. I've shown the charts out here showing that Bitcoin dominance is going down. I played this in my last video here. If you guys want to go up and actually look at the Bitcoin dominance, we've already reached a peak for Bitcoin dominance. You can see right over here. Bitcoin dominance is going down. It's starting to trend down. And when Bitcoin dominance starts to trend down, we start to see altcoin season come to life. And I think that in Q1 of 2025, altcoin seasons are going to come to life here, meaning that more money is going to come into altcoins, including that of XRP. And so I think we're actually just building a perfect, we're like lining up perfectly for what 2025 is going to bring. There's still so much momentum with XRP and all the things that they're going to be bringing. I get that people think that it's oversold, but right now you can actually look at the RSI. We're actually coming up right here on the 4 hour. The 12 hour is looking, it's coming right down right now, but the day chart on the RSI right here is it's actually looking pretty solid. So again, to each our own on how we want to view this, but I'm looking at the chart as a sign of bullishness for me. I like where it's going here, and this has been a really, really easy chart to follow for any day trading and things like that. XRP has actually been a super easy chart to follow to take profits, buy the dips, and rinse and repeat. So for the bull verdict here, you can actually see that the price resistance is at 220, which again we showed right here. It definitely is the 220 mark at this 20-day EMA right here. However, it says right here that if we continue to target up to the 230 potentially and retest the 240, this will show signs of recovery and be very bullish. So again, 230 and up to the 240, which again are two levels that we have to get through. However, it says that there are some bearish things here, and that if XRP breaks below 212, it may retest the levels of 210 and potentially decline further. So we talked about this as well, that if we're sitting here right now at 215, the next levels are right down here at the 212, and then The biggest level of support is right here at this 190 range, which you could see this actually retested multiple times during this little collapses that we've had in liquidity right here. And so this would be very interesting to sort of follow to get if we get back into this $2 to 190 range. If that could happen, that would be roughly about a 7% decrease from where it's at right now. So that's definitely within could definitely happen. I don't know. I think everything's actually showing signs of positivity here with that of XRP, but to each our own. Right now, we've been trading in this 216, anywhere from 220 to 214 over the last, 3 or 4 days now, it seems. And I'm honestly not even sweating what's going to happen right now. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with it. But let me know your thoughts down below. Are you guys actually bullish or bearish on XRP? Do you think long term we're obviously going to be bullish, or are you going to be bearish on it? Because again, right now, day trading, it could look like it could be a little bearish and things like that. But if you're holding for the long term, if you're holding for 2025 and what 2025 is going to bring, then you should be bullish on it. And that's kind of where I'm at with it, is that I don't care where the price is right now, because we are up like 300% overall. And that's what makes it really nice. If you zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out. And you can see right here, this has been on a crazy, crazy run. So I'm not even upset where it's at right now. Now it's just a matter of playing the charts for some day trading and seeing where we're at. So I get all the tabloids out there. Everyone's going, why are we talking about XRP? It's not doing anything. Well, we sat dormant. We sat dormant for 900 days down here plus, waiting for this to happen. Now it breaks out here, and there's just a lot of excitement around it right now. A lot of people are excited about what's going to happen with it. And I think that's why a lot of people are talking about it, including myself, is because we've been waiting for so long for this to actually happen. And to me, this is still a very, very bullish sign. I mean, you talk about a bull flag, when in doubt, zoom out. Look at this bull flag still. We still have a lot of chance for this to have upward momentum here. And this is just the beginning. As you guys know, XRP missed the last bull run because of the SEC. Now we're going to experience a full bull run going into this year with XRP. And it just started. November 5th was when the catalyst started. We got January 20th coming up here with Trump getting into office. There's just too many positive things going for XRP right now and the cryptocurrency market. Not just XRP, but the entire cryptocurrency market. And again, we are just about to start altcoin season. I believe that we started it back in November 5th, but people are saying that we're starting it now because the dominance of Bitcoin is coming down. That's typically when the dominance of Bitcoin goes down, the prices of altcoins go up. And one thing I do want to make a point here is that although the dominance of Bitcoin will go down, that does not mean that the price of Bitcoin will go down. So I want to make sure that's very clear out there, because people think that just because Bitcoin loses dominance, that all of a sudden Bitcoin's going to collapse in price. And that's not the case. Even when Bitcoin has lost dominance, Bitcoin has continued to climb. Bitcoin lost a lot of dominance in 2021, and during the loss of that dominance, it still climbed to its all-time highs. So again, when Bitcoin climbs, so do altcoins. And so I just want to make sure that's very clear. That's where we're at with it. So let me know your comments down below. Are you bullish or are you bearish with XRP? That's all I want to know. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. With all that said, we're out. Peace out, everyone.